So, guys, I know you guys were saying why I'm not giving any setup, why I'm not giving any analysis. I'm so very sorry for that. I'm fully back. I'm working on myself, right, guys? So, I have a lot for us, a lot for us. But so, firstly, we like to analyze. I won't like this video to be too long. I just want to analyze two index for us, which is Flash 500 index and VIX 25 1S index bar. So the reason why I want to analyze those two is because we have long-term sales on them. We have long-term sales on both. So firstly on C500, going to daily time frame, you see that C500 is let me use another one because I don't want to start up this guy. So going to daily time frame, C500 have been selling for a very long time, a very long time. But C500, let's check that. Alright, can you see that? So though we have analyzed this in the past Zoom section that we normally have on Sundays, but so this guy sold a lot, and checking this even without applying this. So firstly, the trend started from here, but so we have our first here, our A here, B here, the change of trend daily time frame, right? So now after that, what do we have next? We have our wave, the first wave here, second wave, third wave, and see the third wave was so very long that it got this third wave started from here, was so very long, and then it finished there. So you can also see that these are fifth wave now. For me currently, I am currently checking C500 to sell to around here or beyond, but that is where our lower time frame comes in now. But so for in here we are already having what, a change of trend once again. Well, it is only once we have this what we can set to above here, then that is the time we say okay, C500 is no more in downtrend, but generally overall is selling. But so now let's go to 4 hours time frame to see what C500 country want to do. So let me go to 8 hours. You surely understand what I'm trying to print out to you. Now see, in fact I will even prefer this because I think I've done the clean analysis there. So going back to here, our first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, you can use it like that also. So the fifth wave was so very long that the third wave, your third wave and your fifth wave will always be very long, will always be very long, very long, right? So now do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this? So we are having a change of what? A change of trend on the higher time frame, right? There's a change of trend on higher time frame. So I want us to have is that we already have our what? Our first correction. This is a correction wave now. We are currently going a correction wave. Firstly, this is it here. Can you see this? Because what? We have a structural what? A structure have been printed there. A structure have been printed there, right? This is a structure that have been printed. This is the IQM that have been printed. Though we are yet to come and take the liquidity that is there, but for that will be later on. So now see, and price got here, and what again? Price is giving us another structural a structural continuation, the structural pattern that will give us that continuation. So for me, at worst, I'm having myself any set I'm I'm having to this very zone here, to this very zone here. So the reason why I said is like we are kind of through with that cells over there is because I came there. I come down here, checking this C500. No, even you apply your trainer like this, price already broke out of this very wave. So what do we have next? We have a correction wave, and that is what we are having right now. So why is price selling here? Why is price selling here? Coming back to here, you see that. All right, that have been taken away already. We have a 50% retracement. Okay, price came to take the liquidity that is there. Long higher time frame. Oh, so now enough of the higher time frame. Now let's go to lower time frame, but to see what for you to see what I'm really looking at. Now let's see this. Let's see this. So still 500. Do you see this? What do we have here? We have our no price printed a change of trend there. Price printed what we need to see here. We printed it, then what next? The price reversed down. So now see, we clear this liquidity that is there, giving us some kind of what a QM pattern on this higher time frame, on this 2 hours time frame. But what we clear this, but we are here to have what the 50% retracements, but the 50% retracement now. See, but now price now gave us what? Price gave us the 50% retracement. We clear this low, we clear this low. It's as simple as this. I really want to let you know that okay, C500 is heading to where I want it to head to. Now we clear this low, we clear this low, we clear this low. What will happen next? A pullback. No, price taking out what? How many? Both internal and the external liquidity. What will happen here? Price will pull back to your 50%, 50% or more. Right, this is around our 61.8, right? And what will happen? Price printing at what? A sell continuation for us. A sell continuation for us. So I'm still talking about the long term, the long term now. So let me delete this. Right, we have this. We are already clearing. We already cleared this out. So what are we expecting now again? Let's now delve into the lower time frame to see what is 30-minute, 15-minute time frame is talking about. Right. So coming to here, as you can see, price is doing the same thing again. A liquidity was taken out. This liquidity was taken out. No, price give us a structure. And what it was selling. It started selling back. So what are we expecting yet? We are expecting this price to just okay. We have taken this out. We are taking this. I'm busy. Ah, we are taking this out. We are taking this out. What next again? As we've seen in the higher time frame, the 2 hours time frame, what are you expecting again? See, you measure the 50% again. Then what happened? We already have the 50%. Do you see that? We already have what the 50%, and what price is giving what price is giving us. Price want to. Do you see this? Price is reacting to the 50% now. So now you just have to continue to look for the same thing. For this sell now, in fact, I can even say this, no matter what, maybe the drawdown can come to this very zone, but this is now what we are expecting on. These are 50%. No, price is still coming back to come and take this liquidity that is there. So is that we are price react from this zone or yeah? But for me, I'm expecting my sell to come to the price to come to this zone and take this liquidity out. Then we have the heavy sell here. So this is what I'm expecting on 500 now. This clear this low out, then come back here or here. Then we have the long-term sell to what? To where? To our C level. So you don't want to miss out when I start calling on this guy. Same thing to B25X index. But Same thing to 2 5 let me quickly run that. We already used 10 minutes on this. So okay, let me just load it from. I hope this guy is not selling yet now, because I really want to ride the sell. I really want to ride the sell. Okay, price is still coming back. Price is still coming back. There's no panic for that. So I've been monitoring this guy since myself. Let's go to 8 hours time frame to see the overview of. Do you see that? In fact, this is where we are still targeting. Okay, this is where we are targeting for now. This zone. So what happened to this guy? It's the same thing. This guy have been buying for very very long time. You know, let's say we have our first wave. We have our first wave here, but that has been buying for a very very long time. But this is a structure. All the whole of this place, all the whole of what you can see is a structure. But so now this guy have been buying first wave here, second wave here, the third wave here, the fourth wave here, the fifth wave. After the fifth wave, what will happen? Price will give you a correction, and that correction, what will happen? That correction, there will be a pattern in that correction. So in that correction, we have your first wave of the correction, the second wave of the correction, the third wave of the correction. Then what are you expecting next? Let's go to 30 minutes time frame to see what is happening on lower time frame. So all we just expecting price to do now is that, can you see this? We have been making it from this very zone here, right? But price is not going in one direction, which I agree that price will never go in one direction, right? It will never go in one direction. So the same thing that I said earlier, price do what? Gave us this structure is sold off, right? The structure over there is sold off. Then price made this retracement, although we are expecting price to get back to this zone. That's why you see me, I will always look out for that position where there is liquidity. So there is a liquidity here, but price didn't get there. And what happened? Price what? Print us another sell structure. No, we take out this guy. We have a divergence here. We take out this guy. We take this out. What will happen? Internal, external have been taken out. There will be a 50% retracement or retracement back to that entry. Then we take our entry here. See now, we take this one out again. 50% will surely happen. So the final stop now, we are not expecting that, because price gave us, let's go to 15 time frame or 5 minute time frame. Price gave us 5 minutes, gave us 5 minutes, 15 minutes, gave us 10 minutes, gave us know that okay, there's a structure here, but there is a liquidity that need to be taken out. But there is a liquidity that we needed to be taken out here. So we are waiting for price to do what? To return back to this zone. No matter this zone, this guy is still coming back. So to return back to this zone, then we take that sell. Once we take that sell, then we are riding it down here. This is our final TP. But when our price now get to this zone and it got broken out, then we know that we are in for the long term sell. So we can be targeting there as our next TP. Alright, so that is that on these two indexes. So if you don't want to mix on this long term, no, go and check the channel. You see that I've been giving long term setup since, and the 95% of the time they always play out, right? So I still have another long term, but I have these two as A plus C500 and what B25 honest index. So we are just waiting for a pullback. After that pullback, we eat them up. So guys, like, subscribe and share. I see you on the next one. Take care guys.